Hello, I'm Kate Irwin, Children's Program Coordinator at the Jessamine County Public Library, and today on Kids Craft at Home, we're going to make fun fall garlands. To make our garland, we need to gather our supplies. You will need pipe cleaners, pony beads in a variety of colors, twine, raffia, and scissors. I also found it helpful to have a bowl to collect our beads in. The first thing we're going to do is start with our beads and pipe cleaners. Take 4 pipe cleaners, make sure the ends are lined up and even, and twist them together in the middle. Spread your pipe cleaners out so that they're evenly spaced and form a star. Now you can begin putting the beads on your pipe cleaners to make your corn. Native American corn comes in a variety of colors, so you can stick to patterns if you'd like, or you can make the beads random assortment. Thread 15 beads onto each pipe cleaner spoke. Work your way around, putting 15 beads on each spoke. Now we're ready to move on to step 2. Now that we've finished beading each of our spokes, we're going to create our corn cob. Begin by carefully picking up your pipe cleaners and gathering them all together in the middle. Adjust and straighten the pipe cleaner spokes so that they lay nicely. Now twist the pipe cleaners together. It is helpful to take one of your pipe cleaners and wrap it around the bunch to help secure them in place. Now arrange the ends of the pipe cleaners to make it look like the top of a corn cob. Repeat this process using a variety of colors and patterns to make multiple ears of corn. Now that you have multiple ears of corn, you're ready to attach them to your garland. Start by taking your twine and tying a loop in each end. This will allow you to hang your garland when you're finished. To attach your corn to your garland, you will twist the pipe cleaner around your twine. Twist one of the ends of your pipe cleaner around the twine, like so. Then, twist another pipe cleaner end around the twine as well. This will help secure the corn cob in place. Continue attaching your corn cobs to your twine, spacing them out along the garland. Our final step is to add our raffia. This will give the effect of corn husks. Start by measuring out a piece of raffia approximately 8 inches. Fold the piece in half and cut. Continue cutting the long piece of raffia into smaller pieces. Begin unfolding your raffia. This step can be a little tricky, so take your time and be patient. Work your way from the top to the bottom, flattening the piece as you go. Once you've finished opening and unfolding your raffia, it'll look like this. Repeat this process to unfold the rest of your pieces. Once all of your raffia is unfolded, you'll attach it to your garland. Use a simple knot to tie your raffia to your garland. I chose to place mine between my ears of corn. Continue tying the raffia onto the garland for decoration. Now you have a beautiful handmade Native American corn garland, a great decoration for the fall.